1. 1982 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe Long Bed, $4,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1982 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe Long Bed is a solid project truck with a 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. It runs, shifts, and stops, but requires some work to be fully roadworthy. The frame is straight and clean, and the body has expected rust, including a small hole in the passenger floor. Originally a Wyoming ranch truck, it has only 80,000 miles. The smog system was removed in the 1980s, and it features an upgraded intake manifold, exhaust, and a quadrajet carburetor from a 1977 Pontiac. The Hercules tires still have plenty of life left, ideal for a restoration or a reliable driver with some refinements. Number 2. 1986 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $6,500, Choteau, Montana. A great project truck, this 1986 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed is equipped with a fuel-injected 5.7-liter V8 from a 1996 Chevrolet Caprice. It has minimal rust due to spending its life in Montana. The interior is in good condition, and the truck runs well. It comes with a toolbox, custom front and rear bumpers, aftermarket taillights, a CD radio system, and good tires. A strong candidate for customization or restoration. NAR 3. 1971 Ford 1-ton, $8,500, Paso Robles, California. A rare find, this 1971 Ford 1-ton truck is an excellent candidate for collectors or restoration enthusiasts. The truck is in original condition with an automatic transmission and a clean title. Given its age and rarity, it presents a fantastic opportunity for those looking to restore a classic heavy-duty Ford. Number 4, 1971 Ford F100 Long Bed, $2,500, San Bernardino, California. This 1971 Ford F100 Long Bed is a rear-wheel drive sport custom model with a factory V8 and air conditioning. It has a solid body with minimal rust, making it a great project vehicle. The truck is in good condition overall, but the title is missing, so buyers should verify local title requirements before purchasing. Number 5. 1970 GMC K2500 4x4, $4,750, Rock Island, Washington. This 1970 GMC K2500 is a capable off-road truck with a small block Chevy engine, long tube headers, and a 4-speed manual transmission. It also includes a Ramsey winch, wood racks, and dual battery trays. The truck runs, drives, and stops, making it a strong foundation for an enthusiast looking for a classic 4x4 project. Number 6, 1984 Ford F150 XLT, $4,300, Oxnard, California. This 1984 Ford F150 XLT features a V8 351W engine with an automatic transmission. It has a clean California title, air conditioning, and a rust-free body. While it runs and drives, it is currently on non-operational status at the DMV. The long bed design makes it practical for hauling, and its well-preserved body makes it a strong candidate for restoration. 7. 1972 Chevrolet K20 4x4, $6,000, Grass Valley, California. A great 4x4 classic, this 1972 Chevrolet K20 is powered by a 383 stroker V8 and a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck runs well, but it needs a wiring harness and taillight repairs. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, rolled over, it remains a desirable classic with solid off-road capability. 8. 1977 Ford F350 tow truck, $2,800, Hayward, California. This 1977 Ford F350 tow truck is powered by a 390 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and a 4-speed granny transmission. It features Imperial towing equipment and has been with its original owners. While it has a clean title, the body shows rust and wear. A great find for a vintage tow truck enthusiast or restoration project. 9. 1973 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $9,000, Thousand Oaks, California. This 1973 Chevrolet C10 long bed is a project truck that runs, drives, and stops. It features a 350 V8 engine, a TH350 automatic transmission, new brake hardware, an Edelbrock carburetor, a new fuel pump, and various replaced parts. With a clean title, it presents a strong starting point for a classic truck restoration. 10. 1977 GMC $3,500, Polson, Montana. This 1977 GMC is powered by a 400 small block V8. It runs, drives, and stops, but it is recommended that buyers bring a trailer if traveling long distances. The truck has a clean title and is a solid project truck with great potential for customization or restoration. 11. 1997 GMC 1500, $500, Warroad, Minnesota. A budget-friendly option, this 1997 GMC 1500 has 258,000 miles on its 4.3-liter V6 engine. It runs and drives but has rust and wear. The 8-foot bed and toolbox make it a practical work truck for farm use or an entry-level classic project. 12. 1907 Chevrolet K10 4x4 Cheyenne short box step-side, $8,700, Columbus, Minnesota. A near rust-free classic, this 1977 Chevrolet K10 Cheyenne short box step-side features a 350 V8 with Edelbrock accessories and headers. It has a rebuilt TH350 automatic transmission, an NP203 transfer case, and a 4-inch lift with 33-inch tires, 90% tread. The truck runs well, and most components function properly, making it a great candidate for a weekend driver or full restoration. 13. 1967 Ford F100 Camper Special. $5,000, Santa Rosa, California. This 1967 Ford F100 Camper Special custom cab is a solid project truck with a clean title. The odometer shows 39,000 miles rolled over. While it needs work, it includes trim pieces and 2 rear-view mirrors. Ideal for a Ford enthusiast looking to restore a vintage pickup.